you know, Trinidad ain't ready for that. I tell you, if you come to Trinidadians and you tell them we're opening a Satan club, 95% of the Trinidadians going to be like, look, get out of here with your Satan club, and nobody want to be in your Satan club, because we still have some of that. We're little all over the place, but we still have some of that. But I wonder the fact that people signing up for this thing, because if you hear the music, ding, 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 you know, after school Satan club, they're teaching benevolence, empathy, critical thinking, problem solving. And listen to one of the guys. He said, they say they're not talking about Satan. So it's a Satan club, after school club, but they're not talking about Satan. They're talking about science, right? He said in their religion, science and reason are the things that are the most valuable. Science and reason. Does that sound a little weird to you? What have we been hearing for the last 2 years? Trust the science. Yeah? That's what we're hearing for the last 2 years, you know. Follow the science. Trust the science. And here it is, he's saying, in their religion, science and reason is what is the most valuable. So they want to teach the children science and critical thinking and all of this. And all of this is approved by the Supreme Court in the United States. I have a little video here. This video is the song. This is one of the theme songs that they're using to bring these children to the class. Listen, I'm telling you, before they even start to play it, it is blood-curdling when you hear what they're singing in this song for children with the nice little children beat. But let's play it. Go ahead and roll the video, Nigel.
Satan's not an evil guy. He wants you to learn and question why. He wants you to have fun and be yourself. And by the way, there is no hell. Science is important, so we understand the world. Satan looks for truth. Let's help him, boys and girls. Everyone is different, and that's okay with Satan. He'll always treat you equal, whether you're black, white, or gay. When all is said and done, Satan doesn't actually exist. He's an imaginary friend who can teach us how to live. Satan's not an evil guy. He wants you to learn and question why. He wants you to have fun and be yourself. And by the way, there is no hell.
Yeah. Y'all could believe that we are living in a world where something like this is okay for children? Understand the minds of children. If you are so small, if all of us grew up hearing jingles like this, convincing you that Satan's not an evil guy. He just wants you to learn, right? In fact, he doesn't even exist, right? It's just really, it's this whole idea. Listen, they are brainwashing the children, and then on top of that, remember, they took the Bible and God out of the schools ages ago. And now the thing that will get more support, because they will be afraid to fight against these people, they will get more support than even when you want to share a scripture, read a Bible verse or something in schools, they will get that. This is what they are doing to the children now.